और आपके साथ डीपीएन न्यूज से बढ़ते हैं ताज़ा खबरों की ओर।
5 सितंबर शिक्षक दिवस की सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। डॉक्टर मधु पानसे, डायरेक्टर लीलावती इंटरनेशनल स्कूल मंडीदीप बाईपास रोड भोपाल। पूर्व राष्ट्रपति भारत रत्न सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के जन्मदिन 5 सितंबर को पूरे देश में शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जा रहा है। लीलावती इंटरनेशनल स्कूल भोपाल की डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर मधु पानसे ने इस अवसर पर सभी को शुभकामनाएं देते हुए कहा कि शिक्षक राष्ट्र निर्माता है और शिक्षकों के सम्मान से पूरे देश का गौरव बढ़ता है। ये शिक्षकों के परिश्रम का ही परिणाम है। डॉक्टर मधु पानसे ने बताया कि लीलावती इंटरनेशनल सन 2022 में स्थापित किया गया था। यहाँ पर टीचिंग स्टाफ छात्रों के सर्वांगीण विकास पर फोकस करता है और समय समय पर उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है जिससे वह अच्छे से बच्चों का भविष्य संवार सकें।
Sarpalli Radhakrishnan as a Teachers Day. We have the Leelavati International School Director, Ms. Pasi Madam. 5th September Teachers Day. What will you say, sir?
First of all, I would like to wish a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers around in the world.
Right.
The second thing, as the theme of this Teachers Day says, empowering educators, building resilience and building sustainability.
Right.
That is really important for our educators to empower them. Second thing is that we have to build sustainability in our education.
Right.
And I would really appreciate the efforts of the teachers they are putting in to change the world.
To kind of response from the general society towards the teacher in the Indian tradition, ancient tradition, we have a highest pedestal of the teachers. What will you say?
Yes, teachers have really high respect in the society, and I would appreciate the efforts.
Right. And Leelavati International also contributing towards the overall development through the dedicated team of teachers.
Yeah.
So what sort of infrastructure we have at the Leelavati?
Yes, we have excellent infrastructure in Leelavati. We have well-trained teachers. Our teachers are motivated to work with students, not only for academics, but their emotional, social and
It's
cultural.
overall development of the children.
Emotional, social, cultural and spiritual and overall development of the students. We are committed, highly committed for the students.
And for that team of the teachers will do all that. So
Yeah.
we will have very dutiful citizens of India.
We are really working towards dutiful citizens of India. And one more thing I want to add for the teachers of the world. As we have observed, हमारे देश में बहुत सारे क्राइम्स हो रहे हैं अगेंस्ट वेमेन। आज मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे विभिन्न टीचर्स से आग्रह करना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ अपने स्टूडेंट्स को जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन का नॉलेज दें, जिससे इन बच्चों के अंदर एक वैल्यूज़ उत्पन्न हो, जिसमें इस तरह के क्राइम्स को हम रोकने में कारगर।
और बिसाइड सोसाइटी भी ये चाहेगी जो लेडीज टीचर जैसे आपने कहा है वुमेन्स टीचर्स है उनको एक हाईएस्ट रिगार्ड के साथ ही एक प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी फील और सेफ एनवायरनमेंट भी हम देने की कोशिश करें।
या डेफिनेटली हम तो हमारे स्कूल में तो हम पूरा अपने टीचर्स को एक अच्छा डिग्निटी के साथ में एक सेफ और अच्छा सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट देने का पूरा प्रयास करते हैं और हम देने में सफल।
दैट विल आल्सो मोटिवेट आवर स्कूल।
आप देखेंगे भी कि हमारी मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टाफ इज आवर टीचर्स, लेडी टीचर्स, एंड ऑल स्कूल इज totally run by lady staff, lady administration, everything.
Hope that also motivate other school to follow.
Yeah, I
Thank
hope
you.
that. Thank you so much.
Of President Sarpalli Radhakrishnan, who was awarded Bharat Ratna, is celebrating as a Teachers Day.
Yes.
Leelavati International School at Raisen Road. We have with us Ms. Saifali Patel, Principal. Teachers Day, what will you say?
First of all, a happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful teachers. Secondly, I am the principal of Leelavati International School. So I just want to say to all the teachers that teachers, they play a very great and important role in the students as well as in everyone's life. They just improve their academics performance, they improve their skill level, they improve their confidence, even they shape us. They shape the children in the right shape.
Right, sir.
Success.
Who will be a dutiful citizen of country?
The teacher,
Teacher.
even the police, doctors, everyone. They are just below the hands of teachers
Teacher.
only. Then only they can
And
become
that's
all
why in
this.
our Indian tradition, teachers.
How many staff? Teachers?
We have 18.
That's why in the
teachers.
ancient traditions, we have the teachers as the highest pedestal of the society, more than the Lord or God.
No, it's actually more than the Lord and God
Lord.
teachers are, because they are actually preparing the futures.
Futures.
They are preparing the futures.
Right. So how, besides that, Leelavati International is also providing a very good infrastructure of the reputed scale. What sort of infrastructure we have at Leelavati?
Actually, we have everything. We have playground, we have well-equipped labs, we have spacious classrooms, we have the smart classes,
The kind of advanced technology we are going
advanced
to.
technology.
Madam,
we
how
have
many
there.
students you 1 to 9th?
250 we are having
And
right
it
now.
is started in 2021
20.
academic sessions.
Yes.
And the kind of infrastructure, particularly the dedication of your teaching staff, what will you say?
They are very much dedicated, and time to time we are just giving training to the teachers also.
Right.
According to NEP also we have given trainings. So
Under the new education policy, the kind of the atmosphere we have to
The
create.
syllabus of the CBSE.
yes sir.
CBSE syllabus.
Yeah, we are following CBSE syllabus and we are following NCRT books also.
Oh, very
Hope that
good.
kind of the children's that will pass out from the Leelavati International will do a lot of service to the society and country also.
Sure sir, we think so. We think so that they will do, because
And-
we are just doing our best and we are giving our best.
Yes. So all the best to our teachers who are dedicated in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.